Master Payong, walang takot sa putik. Astig ako di mahuhuli, kaya damit laging puti.
Putik! Mahirap nang paputiin to!
Gulat ka, no? Sa Tide 6, konting kusot lang, todo puti na. Todo puti.
Sa Tide mananyan.
Description: heavy-duty synthetic laundry detergent renowned for its powerful, deep cleaning capabilities, superior stain removal, even on old stains and clothes brightening of clean featuring technologies like acrylic crystals. What happened in the advertisement of Tide detergent powder in key sense, character, language, and visual? Tide powder detergent advertisements, especially the classic ones, generally follow a formula focused on demonstrating superior cleaning power. Here is a short example based on common themes in a popular classic ad campaign. Kaysen. Description: the laundry comparison. The main scene is a bright sunny backyard or a neighbor yard where a woman is hanging her laundry next to a neighbor's wash line. Characters: the protagonist, happy homemaker, a smiling neatly dressed woman of teen, a 1950s era housewife who is satisfied, the skeptical, unsatisfied neighbor, a slightly worried or confused neighbor friend who uses another brand implied to be an inferior soap. Language: both claim and emotional appeal. The language is highly persuasive, focusing on product superiority and convenience. Visual: the blinding white contrast. The protagonist's clothes are dazzling white and bright, contrasting sharply with the neighbor's clothes, which look dull or dingy, visually demonstrating the cleaning difference. Bias and stereotyping in Tide powder detergent advertising. The primary bias and stereotype associated with classic Tide powder detergent advertising is gender stereotyping, specifically in the portrayal of household roles. The bias: the advertising traditionally targets women as the sole decision makers and users of the product. The stereotype: this reinforces the stereotype of the happy homemaker, implying that laundry and household chores are exclusively a woman's responsibility and the source of her domestic pride and value. Early ads would show women comparing laundry, with the superior cleaning of Tide being the central achievement of the wife mother. While modern campaigns attempt to be more exclusive, the brand's historical advertising contributed significantly to perpetuating the idea of gender-based labor division within the home.
So, purpose and impact of Tide powder detergent. Tide powder detergent was historically and is currently designed to fulfill two main rules, resulting in significant social and technological impacts. So, the first is purpose, solving cleaning challenges. The primary purpose of Tide powder detergent is to be a superior, heavy-duty cleaning agent for laundry. So, technological advancement. Tide, when introduced in 1946, was one of the first detergents synthetic surfactants that was effective in both hard and soft water. A major limitation of traditional soap cleaning efficacy. Its purpose to deliver deep cleaning, stain removal, and clothes brightening superior to existing products, effectively simplifying the complex core of wash day. Second is impact, social and market transformation. Tide's success has had a massive impact on the consumer packaged goods market and household habits. So, market dominance. So, the redesign of Tide powder detergent centers on a major innovation called Tide Evo, which shapes the product's format and packaging to focus on sustainability and concentration. So, new format. Fiber detergent tiles. Tide Evo is a square-shaped thin fiber tile made of tens of thousands of miniature fibers of concentrated cleaning ingredients replacing the traditional powder. And second is concentration. 100% concentrated. The tiles contain 100% concentrated ingredients woven together, eliminating fillers and extra water, making them lightweight and more potent. And the third is packaging. Plastic free and recyclable, the tiles are packaged in a sturdy hinge lid paperboard carton that is Forest Stewardship Council FSC certified and 100% recyclable, eliminating the need for plastic tubs of bottles. And the last is primary goal. The main purpose of this redesign is to provide the same superior Tide Clean while significantly reducing plastic waste and the product overall carbon footprint through weight reduction and cold water compatibility. So, reflection of Tide powder detergent. The reflection of Tide powder detergent is threefold, encompassing its pioneering technological legacy, its pervasive market dominance, and its ongoing need to address modern environmental and social criticism. So first is technological legacy. Tide, introduced in 1946, is reflected as the Wash Day Miracle. It was the first heavy-duty synthetic detergent that worked effectively in both hard and soap water. This innovation fundamentally changed laundry habits by making traditional soap obsolete and enabling the rise of the automatic washing machine in households. And the second is market and cultural icon. Tide is reflected as the undisputed market leader in the US, a status it has held since 1949. The brand's distinctive orange and yellow bullseye logo and powerful marketing have made it
Bulacan,
a
sa Tide 6,
ubiquitu-
konti kusot lang, todo
ubiquitous
puti na.
cultural symbol of trust, quality, and extreme cleanliness, so much so that the product is high value commodity, sometimes referred to as liquid gold on the black market. The last is social and environmental critique. The brand reflection is evolving due to modern concerns. Historically, its ads reflected and reinforced gender stereotypes by exclusively featuring women doing laundry. Environmentally, the use of chemicals like phosphates historically and the impact of plastic packaging, even with traditional powder boxes, are key areas of contemporary critique pushing P&G to heavily invest in sustainable redesigns like the new plastics-free Tide Evo fiber, traditional powder boxes, area case of contemporary critic pushing in P&G to heavily invest in sustainable redesigns like the new plastic-free Tide Evo fiber tiles. In short, the Tide is reflected as a groundbreaking product that defined an industry but must continuously innovate and adapt to shade old stereotypes and meet new demands of sustainability.